Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 17th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Third Bancorp. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Third Bancorp has just released their third quarter 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Third Bancorp reported a net income of $608 million for the third quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Third's net income increased by 3% from the previous quarter and 14% year over year. Their net interest income also rose to $1.52 billion, a 2% increase from the last quarter, driven by a strategic focus on improving their earning asset mix and reducing interest-bearing liabilities costs.
And what about their non-interest income?
Non-interest income was $781 million, up 4% sequentially and 10% year over year, thanks to strong performance in capital markets fees and wealth management revenue.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Third Bancorp reported a diluted EPS of 91, surpassing the analyst forecast of 87 cents. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This EPS beat by 4 cents indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management. The company has consistently delivered positive operating leverage, marking the fourth consecutive quarter of such performance.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 10 analysts surveyed, and exceeding their expectations is a positive signal for investors, reflecting the company's robust financial health and strategic execution.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How is Third Bancorp managing its expenses?
The company reported an efficiency ratio of 54.9% and an adjusted efficiency ratio of 54.1%, showing a significant improvement of 180 basis points year over year. This reflects disciplined expense management and strategic investments in growth priorities.
And what about their future outlook?
Third Bancorp is focusing on high-quality deposits and diversified loan originations. They reported a 6% year-over-year loan growth, the highest in over 2 years, and their net interest margin expanded to 3.13%, indicating a strong position for future growth.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Tim Spence provide in the earnings report?
Tim Spence highlighted the company's strong balance sheet and diverse revenue streams. He emphasized their strategic growth investments, which have driven robust results, including a 7% increase in tangible book value per share and $300 million in share repurchases this quarter.
And how are they rewarding shareholders?
Third Bancorp increased its quarterly cash dividend by 8% to 40 cents per share, reflecting their resilient earnings profile and commitment to returning value to shareholders.